How to reset Instagram algorithm. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. There, click on the three lines at the top right. After you're in here, scroll down. You'll find all these options. Simply scroll down, you'll find what you see. In there, click on Content Preferences. After you click on Content Preferences, click on your algorithm at the top. You'll find your algorithm. You can simply go back, click on Reset Suggested Content at the bottom. Press on Next. Press on Reset Suggested Contents. Press on Reset. And after you do that, everything will be reset and you will find different algorithm. And this is how to reset Instagram algorithm. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.